welcome back to Cousin Fun Does Stuff. Today we're here and we will be doing fidget trading.
Oh, right. So I am going to add all of these marble thingies.
Okay, because they're just marble mesh, that's the name.
That's the
I'm
name.
just gonna add one of these, except
Decline.
my turn. I'm gonna add this crab simple dimple.
I am going to add this pea popper and this simple dimple.
That's a triple dimple, but
Okay,
Add.
I'm sorry.
add.
And this pooping pig thingy.
Add.
This other marble mesh.
Add.
This other marble mesh.
Add.
This last marble mesh.
Add.
This thingy.
Add.
This.
Add.
Got no more.
Too bad. Decline. Now you add something.
Alright. I am going to add, again, I'm going to add this pea popper. And I'm going to add this.
I'll just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fidgets.
I'm going to accept.
Decline!
Ah, that is just betraying. I was so excited for that.
I'll add these.
I am going to add this guy. Add.
I was going to say for you to add. Fine. Add. Decline.
Alright.
This time I'll add this ginormous popish. Listen.
I am going to add this, this, this. Oh, he just rolled out. And the pea popper.
Except. Your turn to add.
Alright. I am going to add these 3 marble meshes.
I will add this ball and this snapper. Except. Oh yes, my turn. I will add this crab simple dimple.
I will add these 2 back.
Add.
Decline. No.
How'd you get them? They just teleported away. Okay, my turn.
Hey.
I'm gonna add this, these, this. I'm gonna add all of my fidgets.
I'm going to add this and that.
Add.
Decline.
Your turn to add.
So I have a courage enough to add this.
Add.
That.
Except. Thank you.
What? I'm so stupid. Oh my god, I can't believe I just... As long as I still have this babe. Hey, babe.
My turn to add. I'm gonna add this ginormous poppet that I
Add.
got 3 years ago.
Add.
Decline. Whap. my turn. I'm going to add this marble mesh.
I am going to add the last thing I would say. Add. You know what?
Why? I'm going to add the pooping pig. Look at that great fat poop. Like, look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it.
Add.
I'll add this ginormous poppet.
I'll give you this.
I got all of that stuff. Oh no! It teleported away again. Okay, that's it for the video, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye. See you.